In this video, we will understand how to use date filter function. So click on settings, then this is the date filter. If you click date filter, then only it works. Otherwise, no need to click it. So how it is useful? Suppose if you want to, so currently let's check with the show monthly performance table, and in this monthly performance table, you will see the results of according to the period allowed by the trading view. So it's showing the 12 May to 2 August results. Okay, so I want to check the last week what happened. Last week what is the performance. So if I want to check the last week, then I click the date filter. In date filter, let's check with the currently it is 2nd August, means this is the last day. This is the last day. What happened? If profit or loss. Okay, so this is the future chart, and that's why it's showing in the rupees. And suppose if I choose the last week, so the last week is started from 29 July, and the end date is 31st 12 2099. So it's beyond the today's time, but only it will showing from the up to the last date. Okay, you can mark also up to here, but there are no need. And also understand that the last trade is still open. Okay, so that profit is not counted here. So if you want to count that, what you have to do, you have to set the trade timing. This is 9:15 to 15:15, or suppose if I want to 15:25 and 15:25, because this is the 1 minute chart. Okay, 1 minute chart, so you can set 15:25 and this is 15:30. So it's a square of at end of the day. So right now it's showing that if I trade it with this settings of indicator, the last week I am profit in around 16,735. So this date filter you can use to filter the what exactly happened in the last week or last month, whatever. So you can bound this end time and start time. Suppose I want to know exactly what happened, because monthly it is already showing, so there is no need to showing the performance of the monthly. So particularly 2 days, 3 days, or 1 month, or particular from only from January to the current. Suppose if I want to see from January, let's say what happened to this year. Okay, so let's search 1 January 2024. So it's showing. Okay, so beyond the May that is not allowed, because in trading view you know that for a 1 minute time frame there are only limited time period they are allowing. So you cannot see the beyond the time before the May, you cannot set the date. Okay, let's see if I change the time frame 15 minutes. So it's allowing me more than 2-3 years. So I can check from January. So here you can see the data showing from January. If I traded on 15 minutes with these settings, let me change the setting. Let's say 7.3. Okay. So if I traded using these settings, then what happened from 1st January to date, I will able to get profit 39,000 rupees. So if I unclick that filter, then it will conclude including from the entire time period that trading view allowed on 15 minutes. So it's showing from May 4 2021 to August 2024. So you can filter out with the date, and you can check the profits. And sometimes it's also helpful in case, suppose if you're showing something error, there are more than 9,000 trades or like that. If any errors come, you can set the date filter and just bring out the nearest date of today. Okay, suppose if you are trading today in the 2nd August, you can set the date around the 1st July. So you are just near to your current day. So by that way you can also remove any errors if came.